Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can change the VoiceOver speaking rate on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in the Settings page, go down and tap on Accessibility. Then tap on VoiceOver. Now go down to the speaking rate section and drag on the slider bar to the left to slow down the speaking rate, or you can drag it to the right to increase the speaking rate. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the back key to go back to settings, swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.